afternoon. Come on, baby.
So we go ahead and grab a pencil. Good afternoon, Shalon. Welcome back. Glad to see you. Just check the first two problems. All right, let's go ahead and get ready to continue. Please turn to today's objective and give your attention to Miss Sarasoli.
So as students are flipping through the objective, I'm looking for a silent hand to read the objective for the class.
Antonio, excellent. So outstanding pride position is Zoe and Corey and Shala. Everyone should be sitting in pride position. Open up to the objective so we know that you're following along.
I can show an equivalent ratio as a fraction and solve a word problem with at least 80% accuracy on the execution.
Excellent. So yesterday, as Ms. Mira just went over, we learned about equivalent ratios in the form of a table, and today we're going to use that to solve word problems. Who with a silent hand can read the talking jot so we know what we're going to be doing? Jacob.
McDonald's most popular food items is French fries. If one medium order of French fries contains 378 calories, how many calories would 5 orders of French fries have?
Excellent. So raise a silent hand if you like French fries from McDonald's. Even though I'm guilty. Yes. So if you can imagine, only one of these has 378 calories in them. We want to ask you, how could you figure out how many calories 5 orders of French fries have? So what you want to do, not yet, I want you guys, I love all the hands, but turn and talk to each other and tell your neighbor how you would solve this problem, and then we're gonna hear out from you guys. So 2 minutes, turn and talk to your neighbor.
So multiply,
I did it the same way as you. I multiplied and I got
1,890 calories with 5 orders of French fries from McDonald's.
Excellent. We're gonna hear from Mia's group first. Remember that as you're listening to Mia's group, you want to show if you agree, you talked about the same thing, if you talked about something different, or if you would like to build on it. So everyone should be listening to Mia.
So our group, my group and I, we discussed about how we can figure out how many calories are in each French fries. So we thought of division to divide how many calories we got, and our answer was 75 and remainder 3 of calories.
Okay, so I'm seeing some agreement over here and some disagreement and some building on. Savion and Damar, what did you all talk about?
We times it by 5 because if you divided it, it would be the calories would be way smaller in each order.
Okay, so talk about why did you multiply by 5?
We multiplied by 5 because we realized that if each fry have 378 calories, that means you have to multiply by 5 because each one has 378 calories in it, so that means you have to multiply instead of dividing, because if you divide, that means you're taking away each one.
Excellent. Okay, let's see how this connects with what we did from yesterday. Excellent. We're going to learn another way to do this today, but right now, can everyone sit up in pride position? We're actually going to do one activity now that we've done the objective. So we did the do now, fluency, and the objective. We're going to do a stand up, hand up, pair up. What you're going to do when we say go, you're going to stand up behind your chair. You're going to stand up, hand up, pair up, find a partner, and look at your cards. So Malachi Brown, you're going to say something like, I'm going to look at Miss Nero's card and compare it to mine. And first, I want to figure out, is it equivalent? So I would say something like, yes, 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4 because I see that I can multiply by 2 to get 2/4. So I can do 1 times 2 to get 2 and 2 times 2 to get 4. So Jamar, can you put 5 minutes on the clock? Everyone silently stand up behind your desk. Go.
Yes, we agree with that. You would do 2
How do you know?
times 1
So 1 times 3 times 3 is 5 times 3. 4.
Yep, so we
Antonio?
7 7.
Yard.